Okay, so thank you everyone for joining in our session today. I know that you would have been able to do something more different today, this evening, but you have chosen today to come and spend your time with me here to actually work out on your own financial blockages. So let's go ahead. And today we are going to focus on a few key aspects of things as a part of healing and releasing our financial blockages. Every month, second Saturday, we do this free monthly healing sessions. I would like to introduce you. I'm Poonam. I have been conducting these sessions since more than 18 months now, every second Saturday of the month, and all the recordings are available on the YouTube channel. So you can go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel and listen to all the previous sessions of all the healings that have been done if you would like to transform your life more in a positive way. So let us go ahead and start our session for today for releasing the financial blockages. Now, when I talk about the financial blockages, what I would really want you to focus today is keep yourself present in the moment, be receptive to the healings so that you can go ahead and release any of the blocks, anything which is stopping you to achieve your financial goal, your money goal, be it in your career, in your job, or in your business, or be it accumulative across your different sources of income from your investments. So we are going to focus today from that perspective to make sure that you are able to go ahead and get your financial blockages being released. So I would want you to sit straight, and generally during the session, I would want you to keep your palms facing upward. Sit straight, keep your palms facing upward. Close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, let us first start with the invocation. I invoke the divine presence of the Supreme God, the divine energies, the healing energies to be present here in this moment to help me, to heal me, to guide me, and to protect me. I'm always being divinely guided and divinely protected. I'm open and receptive to the healings being given by Poonam today. I'm open and receptive to all the healings being given by Poonam. Just make yourself comfortable. We will be doing this session for the next 25 to 30 minutes. So I want you to sit in a comfortable position with your palms facing upward. And let us start with a brief, deep healing. And let us do it for 3 times so that you relax your body, relax your mind. Inhale slowly. Hold your breath. Exhale slowly. You can inhale and exhale at your own pace comfortably. Let's inhale slowly. Hold your breath and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale slowly. Hold your breath and exhale slowly. Be receptive to the healings. Mentally, with your eyes closed, let us scan through your body. Today we are focusing on releasing any of your financial blockages, your money blockages. But the first thing that you need to be aware of is, in which part of your body do you feel this money blockage? In which part of your body do you feel the tensed or the stress of this money blockage? And when I say about the money blockage, I will be guiding you through as we scan to your body. With your eyes closed, let us now focus on the top of your head, which is at the top of your head. Are there any negative thoughts about money which are there in your mind right now? And when I say negative thoughts, is it something where you feel that I cannot earn money? I'm not blessed enough to have money in my life or to have the required finances in my life. I'm not lucky enough to have all the money that I need, or any other such thoughts which are there in your mind right now. You can just bring them. And when you bring this, let the emotions flow. If some of you feel like throughout the healing session, like crying, screaming, feeling uncomfortable, that's natural. So at the top of your head, in your mind, if there are any negative thoughts about money, bring them. Or since childhood, you have been hearing that we do not have enough money to buy the things that we want. Feel that tension, feel that stress on the top of your head. And slowly and gradually, just mentally say, I am ready to release all of this stress, all of this tension from the top of my head right now. I am ready to release all of this stress, all of this tension, all of this negative talks about money from my mind right now. I'm receptive to the healings being given by Poonam. I release all these negative self-talks from my physical body, from my emotional body, from my mental body, and from my spiritual body right now. You may feel something pulling out of your head, and let that go. You'll start feeling lighter as we continue with our healings. Now, slowly and gradually, as we scan further, let us scan our forehead between the two eyebrows. Scan any stress, any tension do you feel there? Any stress, any tension that you feel? If you're feeling any stress, any tension out there, let that be released. Now, when you're focusing on your forehead between the two eyebrows, the intention out here is that if there is any thought which is stopping me to achieve my financial goals, anything which is not giving me the clarity of how I should earn money, from where will I get this money? Who will give me this money? If you don't have the clarity of the amount of money that you need, let that stress and tension be released. because each one of us always wants a lot of money to come into our life, but we are really not sure what that amount is. Maybe some of you would be having the idea of the monthly income that you would want in your life to come, but it is still not coming in because you do not have the clarity from where this money will come, who will give it to me. And that's what we are now releasing, all the blockages, all the tensions, all the stress from your forehead, between your eyebrows, which is stopping you to give that clarity of from where will I get this money. Release it right now. I'm releasing all this stress, all this tension from my forehead so that I get all the clarity that I need in the next coming days to achieve my financial goal, to achieve my monetary goal. Be receptive to the healing. And slowly and gradually, let's scan your face, any stress, any tension that you're having on your face, front side, your cheeks, your nose, your ears, back of your head. Release that stress and tension. And be open and receptive to all the new open ideas, thoughts, which will help you to achieve your financial goal. Slowly and gradually, let's come down further to your throat. Any stress, any tension that you're feeling at your throat, let that be released right now. Some of you may feel your throat is getting a little dried up. Let that be the case. The throat denotes the communication. A lot of you are not able to communicate about your own financial needs, about your own monetary needs to yourself and to maybe the people around. A lot of your blocked emotions, which you have not been able to express regarding money, are stuck in your throat right now. So any such thoughts coming in where you're not been able to express about money, about finances, let that be released right now. Because a lot of us are not comfortable to talk about our money, about our finances, especially if you're struggling with to achieve your financial and your monetary goals. So release all that stress and tension from your throat right now. Mentally say, I am releasing all of the stress, all of the tension from my throat area right now. Was one of the key things of why probably you're not able to earn the amount of money that you're looking for is because you're not able to talk about it. Maybe you're not able to talk about the services, the products, or the things that you can do for which in return you will be able to get the money that you're looking for. Or probably you're not able to invest your money in the places where you could get more returns. So let that be released right now from the throat, because I feel a lot of heaviness here, and I know that most of the participants here might be having this issue or concern. And slowly and gradually, let us move down further to your shoulders, to your chest area, center of your chest, and center of the upper back. This is the most important aspect in the financial and the money part, because this denotes how your relationship is with money. A lot of you probably would not have a good relationship with money, which means because you have seen a lot of hardships, you had to struggle a lot. So you start building belief that I need to struggle a lot to earn money. The efforts that I'm putting in, I'm not getting the money. I'm not getting those returns for my efforts. And then you slowly and gradually start building more of a negative relationship with money. It's an indirect thing as well, because then you start building negative relations with the people who are involved in helping you or in supporting you to give that money. Maybe your clients, maybe your employers, maybe your customers, whoever is going to give you the money for your products, for your services. It could also be for people at home getting money from your spouse or from your kids, or all that pending money that you need to get from maybe your friends, family members, and you start building negative relation or negative thoughts in your mind regarding those people, that they don't value the efforts that I'm putting in and that they're not paying me back, they're not returning my money, or they are not giving me the money that I deserve. And all of that is causing a lot of pain within you. Just hold on and be here. Just be here. Let that relationship with your heart, with the money, be released right now. Just be there. And as you are focusing on your heart, building that positive relationship with money, you need to forgive the people who are involved in this journey and probably not giving you that money or the efforts that you're putting in, and you're not getting the deserved money. So release all that. I forgive myself. I forgive everyone around me. I forgive all that relationship that I'm facing issues with regards to money. Let that be healed right now in this moment. You'll feel a lot of heaviness in your heart, in your chest area, upper back. Just say, I release all these blockages, the negative thoughts, negative things which I'm carrying with regards to my employer, my clients, my family members, my friends who are not paying the money that I deserve. I release that right now. And I open myself to be receptive to all the money that I deserve in my life. I'm building all the positive relations so I can get all the money that I deserve in my life right now. You'll feel much better and relaxed. And slowly And gradually, let's go ahead further down, healing your middle back, your stomach area, which is associated with the confidence that you need to have to achieve the financial and the monetary goals in your life. If you lack that confidence that I cannot really earn this much of money, there is so much of liabilities that I need to pay. I need to pay the loans. I need to give the money to my friends, family members, my relatives, to all the things that are my basic needs. I need to meet them. I really don't have the confidence that I can earn more money. So if you are having any such doubts about your own confidence, just let that get released right now. I release all the lack of confidence that I have with regards to the money that I want to earn. I release all the doubts that I have that I'm not able to earn the money that I deserve. I release all the doubts that people are not supporting me to achieve the monetary goals that I want in my life. I release all my fears with regards to money. I'm releasing it right now, instantly and permanently right now. Let all of this be released instantaneously and permanently from your stomach area and the lower back area. And I welcome all the confidence that I need to earn the money that I want in my life. I'm getting all the support from my family members, from my friends, from my relatives, from my employers, from my business partners, from my clients to achieve the financial goals that I have in my life. And slowly and gradually, let's move down to the base of your spine. From the base of my spine, I release all the fear that I have with regards to the money. I'm releasing it right now, instantaneously and permanently. And at the base of the spine, I sow the seeds of confidence. I sow the seeds of generating new ideas and to implement that ideas to earn the money that I need. Feel the presence of the positive energies within you. You're feeling much lighter, much relaxed, and more confident about achieving your financial goal. And slowly and gradually, let's move further down, healing your thighs, your knees, your ankles, and your feet. All of this is getting healed and releasing any fear that you have about future with regards to your financial goals, with regards to the monetary goals. I release all that fear from my body right now in this moment. Head to toe, I have released and removed all the fears with regards to money, all the negative emotions that I'm carrying, the anger, the irritation, and the frustration because of the lack of money is being released right now, instantly and permanently from my system at a physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual level. I release it right now. Release, release, release. And I just want you to feel that from which part of your body are you feeling more energies being moving out from your body. Just do a quick scan, head to toe. Which part of your body do you feel this? And whichever part of your body you're feeling it, just mentally say that from this part of my body, I'm releasing this stress and the tension. For example, if you feel that stress or a tension in your stomach area, just mentally say, from my stomach area, I release this stress and the tension right now. And slowly and gradually, I just want you to visualize, imagine, or mentally say the amount of money that you want in your life to come in the next 3 to 6 months. So you can mentally say that in the next 3 to 6 months, I am receiving whatever your amount of money is. Like, for example, if I say 5 lakhs or $1,000, $100,000, you can just go ahead and say, I am receiving $100,000 or 5 lakhs or more money flowing easily into my life in the next 3 to 6 months. Even if I don't know how it will come, I have the confidence that I'm getting all the ideas and support from the universe to let this money flow in my life easily. Whatever that amount of money is, bring that amount of money in front of your eyes. With a smile, look at that money. Look at that amount. Maybe you want to see that amount in your financial statements or in your bank statement, in your books, in your account books, whatever that source is. Just visualize that I am seeing this amount being credited to my bank account in the next 3 to 6 months. Even though I don't know how, I trust the universal process to help me bring in all that opportunities from all the good sources for this financial amount to materialize in my life. It could be that your investments that you have done would give that return. Maybe you have new sources of income coming in your life, which will help you to achieve your goals. Maybe you got a great idea which you have implemented and it is helping you to achieve your financial goal and the monetary goals. And now what I want you to do is raise your hands and bring it closer to your chest. So you raise it in this cup position. And then you're able to take it forward. So bring it into a blessing position and then take that forward. So into blessing position, visualize the amount that you have in front of you and let that flow in. Visualize from your heart. There's a lot of positive energies flowing in. And these positive energies are spreading in to the amount of money that you want to come in your life. Give a smile, with a smile on your face, visualize with a smile on your face, with your hands, giving the blessing to your goal of the financial abundance, and repeat in your mind 3 times right now, I am receiving this financial amount in my bank statement in the next 3 to 6 months. I welcome all the positive opportunities in my life. I'm working on all the positive aspects of things to materialize into my life right now. I'm open and receptive to all the positive changes within my life. So as you've become aware of all your blockages, you have released your blockages, you're also aware of your financial goal amount that you want in the next 3 to 6 months. And now you're giving the blessings and positive energies to this amount of the money that you wanted to come into your life. I want you to feel the energies in your palms with your cup positions, giving healing. Feel those energies in your palms. Let that energies go in. Give the healing. Feel the energies in your palms. A lot of positive energies flowing in. And from your heart, you see the positive energies getting radiated towards your goal. And one of the most important things that we usually always do is that while we are giving blessings to our goals, let us also give blessings to everyone around us, because these are the people who are going to help you and support you in your journey. So let's do the blessings. I thank the Supreme God, the divine energies and the healing energies to be always with me. I bless everyone around me with good health, happiness, abundance, prosperity, and joy. And I seek the blessings of the universal energies to bless me with good health, happiness, abundance, prosperity, and joy. And remember, the healings that we have done today will work for you at all the levels, for your physical health, for your emotional health, for your mental health, and your spiritual health as well. As we heal your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual levels, you will start finding more opportunities materializing into your life for the financial abundance to flow easily. I bless everyone around me with good health, happiness, abundance, prosperity, and joy. I welcome happiness, abundance, prosperity, and joy into my life. Blessings be to all with all the happiness, prosperity, abundance, and joy. Feel the energies. Now take your hands in the up, with your palms facing upward. Feel the energies from the universe flowing into your palms. You can visualize, imagine all the positive energies coming into your palms from the universal energies, from the universe, from your surroundings, all the positive energies entering into your palms, reaching every cell of your body through your palms, entering into every cell of your body, right from the head till your toes, charging you up with all the positive thoughts, positive intentions for achieving your financial goals, welcoming the abundance to flow easily into your life. Mentally say, I am a money magnet. I am attracting financial abundance. I am materializing financial abundance in every moment of my life. I am a money magnet. I am materializing financial abundance in every area of my life. I'm open and receptive to all the opportunities. And as you feel those energies in your palms, I want you to now gently rub your palms, massage your face, gently feel the energies going in your forehead, your scalp, your neck, your throat, your hands. Gently, lovingly massage your chest, upper back, middle, lower stomach, navel area, your hips, your thighs, your knee, your ankles, and your feet. Let this energies flow in every cell of your body. Feel these energies moving into every part of your body and every cell of your body. And you would gently open your eyes with a big smile, and I would just unmute all of you, give the permission to unmute, and go ahead, share your experience that you would have had within the session. So give me a moment, I'll just give you those rights. Okay, good. So how was the experience? Anybody would like to unmute and share? Great, thanks. Or you can put your experience in the chat window as well. Thanks, Abhay. Thanks, Amita. Great, thank you, Abhay. And I'll share the recording. So I would want each one of you to practice this every day for the next, I would say, 3 to 6 months. Okay. Bala Sahib, you have attended for the first time. You're finding it very wonderful. Thank you. Bhagyalakshmi, feeling nice, light, energetic. Great. Thanks, Ganesh. You would like to remain and enjoy the state. Yes, I will share the recordings. If you have already shared your WhatsApp number with me, I will be sending the recording link as well to all of you. Great, Supriya. So you're feeling good. Your heaviness is released. Thanks, Padma Priya. Feeling positive and energetic. Surbi, yes, a lot of energies would be released from the stomach. Okay, so we have a question out here. Sorry, yes, Charudatta, I can see you raised your hand. Anything that you want to share?
Yeah, I enjoyed the session a lot. This was happening first time to me. And I felt like you are addressing every bit of a problem that I'm facing in regular life related to money. So I thought that this is a kind of opening given by universe through you to me. So I was trying to relate what you are trying to convey to us. I think that I need to have some repeat sessions.
Yeah.
For the same.
Yes.
I enjoyed it a lot today, but I want to attend it again to charge myself a little more.
Thanks a lot, Charudatta. Good to know that you have enjoyed the session. I will be uploading the recordings on the YouTube, and I have my previous monthly recording sessions as well. So you can go through it and experience for the recorded version, and for the in-person sessions, you can message me and we can talk about how you can take those experiences as well.
Okay, thank you very much.
Great, thanks. Divya, I see you have also unmuted yourself. Anything you would like to share about your experience?
Yeah, it was the first time for me as well, Poonam, and I think like Charudatta just said, like for me, I felt like so much of what you were going through was tackling like a different aspect of stuff that I'm going through. So I thought it was really, really powerful, and I feel so much lighter afterwards. And even at the end, when you were saying sort of feel the energies, and I could feel like this tingling in my hands. And even when you asked us to sort of like, you know, put our hands over our face and our body, I actually felt like energy going back into me again. So I actually, like Charudatta, I just wanted to ask you as well, Poonam, do you think that doing this once a month is enough, or is there any opportunity to do this like separately with you?
So the once a month sessions are the free sessions which I offer to all the people who can experience it. But if you would want to have it more of these sessions, I have my paid sessions as well, on especially focusing on the financial aspects. So
Yeah.
I can explain you the details of what those paid sessions are. Basically, I have it into 2 levels. One is of 9 days and the second one is of 21 days. So combining 30 days of the focused healing sessions on the financials, and you can register for those sessions. You can do it also as per your own convenience, because I also have the recorded versions of it, along with the few personal sessions that I offer for this. So you can choose amongst that as well.
That's helpful. That's really helpful. Thank you.
Great. Thanks.
Thank you for this session.
Thank you. Good.
When are we going to have another session, the similar one?
Similar sessions happen on every second Saturday of the month, Charudatta, where you can experience the healings, and every month we focus on one such topic based on what the participants demand for, and you would be able to see those and experience it.
Okay, thank you.
Great. Manisha and okay, Anita, I see you also have unmuted yourself. So anything that you would like to share?
Yeah, Puram. So again, I had like intense pain in my heart chakra, like last time, and you suggested me to perform forgiving. So I tried to do it, and like it's every time I get pain in my heart chakra and also in my knees during the sessions.
Right.
I do your 21 days like healing session every day. So what else I can do to clean my heart chakra?
So the 21 days and the forgiveness are the key aspects, Anita, that you will have to continue and practice along with. And whatever your experiences are, I would expect you to please share it, so that will help me to guide you further, because your daily experiences that you will share help me to also help you on how to go ahead with the next aspects of steps, because it's a unique experience that each one of you is going to experience with, and the guidance for you would also be channelized accordingly.
Okay, I'll connect with you on WhatsApp.
Yeah, great, thanks. So that Manisha, I see you have also unmuted yourself. Anything you would like to share? Manisha, your voice is not audible. Not at all able to hear you. So maybe Surbi, you can go till Manisha sorts her audio thing.
Yeah, I would like to share my feedback here. Not only this session, but the previous two sessions, healing relationship with self and others.
Yeah.
I have been listening to them almost whenever I get time, alternately, and today this session also. So they have really helped me a lot since last few days or months to develop a positive attitude, and mentally also I feel very peaceful. I feel very peaceful these days.
Oh, that's good. Thanks, Surbi, for sharing it, because every month I insist that whatever topic we've chosen, if you can practice it for the next 30 days till we come for the next session, you will experience a good transformation within you and your environment. So thanks a lot, Surbi. Happy to know that it has helped you a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks to you also.
Great. Yes, Charudatta.
Yeah. Do we need to practice this? Can we practice this? Can we have a self-practice of this?
Yes, you can have a self-practice of it. So as I said, I will share. I see Rishabh, you have also asked for the YouTube channel. So on my on the WhatsApp messages, I will send it across the YouTube channel link as well. So subscribe to it. Every month I upload the videos. Plus also we have a lot of other videos, audios, which are available for your own self-practice, which you can listen to it and practice it to see the changes coming within you.
Okay, you mean to say the same session that we had just now, you'll be uploading that on the YouTube?
Yeah, you can listen to the same session for the next 30 days and any other topic, because there are a lot of other recorded versions also available in terms of, as Surbi mentioned, healing your relationships, healing your emotions, healing your life aspects. So all of this would definitely be there, which you can pick up.
Okay, and second, last concern from my side is it necessary to feel those stress? Because I did not feel any stress as such on any of my body part, but my money issues are still there in the life, and I want to get some solution to it. So what you were trying to convey, that like there is a stress on head, stress on chest side, or whichever the body part, but I could not relate to it. I mean, I could not find out where exactly the stress is. But yes, I'm having a lot of issues about my finances.
Okay, so you may not necessarily always feel the stress, Charudatta, and thanks for bringing it, because in this point of the moment, you may not everybody have a stress or a tension feeling in any part of your body. But as you progress in the journey, you will start realizing that stress and the tension within your body, which will help you to release it much faster. But it is not necessary that you should always feel that stress, but you can then just ignore, I won't say ignore, but just mentally say that if there are any stress, I just release it and then focus on welcoming the new opportunity
Yes.
aspects of things. So
Yes.
that can be definitely be done.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Great, thanks. I read here, Smita, always felt stressful before the session, but after attending the session, feeling much relaxed and fresh. Thank you. Yes, Dipali, I saw you unmuted yourself, so anything you would like to share?
Thank you, Poonam, for your healing. It's helped me a lot as well. And I feel that sensation and the energy coming through my body. So I wanted to ask that if any person has borrowed your money and he is reluctant to give it or delaying that for a long period of time, and you are developing a negativity for that person, so that's spoiling your relationship as well. So then how to deal with that, or how to, get your, because it's causing me a lot of stress, because I'm not getting my money back, and I don't have trust on that person now that he will give it back to me. So that's what I want it returned, because that's a hard-earned money I have had,
Right.
and I want it back. So what can be done?
So Dipali, now the easiest and simple thing which I would tell you to do is, once I upload this recording, please listen to it daily. To first bring the shifts within your own energy. So yes, many times your money is being blocked. And the primary reason what I have seen it gets blocked is because of our own limitations at I would say many times. So this is a small effort which has been put in today to help you release your own blockages. Because once you start releasing your blockages, there would be new things coming in your life, and you will start receiving the blocked money from the sources, either direct from the source from where it is blocked, or you may have different sources from where you may get much more money coming into your life for whatever reasons you would need it to be. Because there are different aspects in the financial part of the things, Dipali, because one of the key things is also that how much is it that you have your connections with money and with the person and with the environment. Because when your connections with the person and the environment are impacted, then somewhere or the other, you will start seeing the negative influences of money coming into your life, which means not receiving the right set of amount of money that you expect and it should come in. So the first step right now for you, Dipali, would be to practice this same recording, which I'll upload on the YouTube later today in the day, and share it with the link on WhatsApp. So go ahead, subscribe, listen to it, and practice it, and share your experience daily with me, so I can guide you as well in case of there is any changes or things happening around.
That helps, Poonam. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your session as well.
Great, thanks, Dipali. Awesome. Okay, so we are almost towards the end of our session. Thank you everyone for attending this session. Have a good evening and see you again in the next month. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, join into my Facebook group, which you would have got a link after you register for the session, because a lot of important things, a lot of knowledge sharing is being done in those groups, which generally I would not share it across in general as well. So take care, and anything needed, just reach out to me, send me a WhatsApp message, and I will revert back to you for any queries or doubts that you would have. So have a good day, take care, and lots of happiness and abundance to each one of you. Bye.
Bye, Poonam. Same to you.
Thank you. Same to you, Poonam. Bye.
Bye.